Tired of manually replacing every piece of placeholder content in your wireframes? Learn how to regenerate all content with one click using Elementor AI. First, I'll show you how to access the AI Planner. Then, we'll target specific sections and use prompts to generate fresh content. Navigate to the Wireframes AI Website Planner sample. Click on the highlighted area to select it. Click Suggestions for Content to open the content options. Click on the highlighted suggestion to choose it. Click Section Type to choose the layout. Click Section Title to edit the heading. Click Prompt to enter your custom text. Click on the highlighted area to confirm your prompt. Click on the next highlighted area to proceed. Click on the following highlighted area to continue. Finally, click on the last highlighted area to apply your changes. Your content is updated. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.